Good morning, students. Today's topic is one of the physical properties of drug molecule, refractive index. In this class, we will discuss about the following topics: introduction to refractive index and their importance, measurement of refractive index of drug molecules, and types of refractometers used for determination of refractive index of drug molecules, and applications of refractive index. Refraction. What is refraction? When a monochromatic light passes through a less dense medium, air or vacuum, and enter into denser medium like water, the advancing waves at interface are modified and brought closer together and move to the air phase. This is occurs due to decreasing the speed and shortening the wavelength. It means when a light is passed from a less denser medium to the high denser medium, refract towards normal. It means by observing the following diagram, when a light is passed from vacuum or air, it can enter into high density medium like water. The light is move towards normal range. The light which can be entered is called as incident ray. The light which is entered in denser medium is called as refractive ray. The angle possible between incident ray to the normal level is called as angle of incidence. It can be indicated by I. The angle possible between normal line to the refracted ray is called as angle of refraction, can be denoted by R. When light is past the denser medium like water, a part of wave slow down more quickly as it passes through the interface and make it bend towards the interface. This phenomenon is called as refraction. The light passed from denser medium to the less medium, then refracted away from the interface or refracted away from the normal. It means the light passes from denser medium to the less denser medium, then it is refracted away from the interface. By observing the following diagram, when light is passed from high denser medium like liquid to the low denser medium I, it can away from the normal line. I means angle of incidence, R means angle of refracted. Snell's law. In 1621, a Dutch physicist named Willebrord Snell derived the relationship between different angles of light as it passed from the one transparent medium to the another medium. When a light is passed from one transparent medium to the another, it bends according to Snell's law. The Snell's law can be given by using following equation: n is equal to sin I by sin R. Sin I means sin of the angle of incident, R means sin of the angle of refracted in theta. It can be other definition: the refractive index of the refractive index, or index of the refraction of a substance, is the measure the speed of a light in that substance. It can be expressed as it is the ratio of the speed of light in vacuum related to the considered medium. The relationship between speed of the light can be expressed in following equation. N is equal to velocity of light in a vacuum divided by velocity of light in medium. The refractive index of water is 1.33. Light can travel 1.33 times as faster in vacuum that it does in water. There are various types of factors which influencing on refractive index of a drug molecule. There are wavelength, temperature and pressure. When the wavelength of the compound can be increased, wavelength of the sample can be increases, decreasing the refractive index. The temperature increases with decreasing the refractive index of the drug molecule. The pressure of the drug molecule can be increases with also increase the refractive index. The refractive index values are changes with the wavelength of light and temperature. It can be represented by using n to the power of 20 into d. This symbol indicates the refractive index as can be determined at 20 degrees centigrade using D-line emission sodium lamp at 589 nanometers. Measurement. The measurement of refractive index can be determined by using refractometer. What is refractometer? The equipment which is used for determination of a refractive index of drug molecule is called as refractometer. There are different types of refractometers available for determination of a refractive index of drug molecule. There are Abs refractometer, immersion refractometer, full frieze refractometer. Among those, Abs refractometer is most commonly used equipment. By the use of Abs refractometer, there are having advantages: convenient, simple instrument, the results are reliable. For determination of refractive index by using Abs refractometer, small quantity of sample can be required. These are also used when ordinary light can be also used. Maintenance is easy and economically safe. The refractive index of sample can be easily determined by using Abs refractometer. The components present in a refractometer is light source. The most commonly used light source is D-line sodium vapor lamp, light refraction mirror, prism box. It contains two prisms A and B, and telescope used for determine the angle. Amici prisms. These are the major components present in a refractometer. This is the refractometer, Abs refractometer. It will contain the scale at the top of the position and also having telescope to observe the incident light angle. The construction of the equipment. Commercial refractometers are normally constructed with white light. It can be calibrated to give refractive index with D-line sodium. It will contain two prisms A and B, a drop of the liquid placed upon the surface of the prism A. On clamping the prisms A and B, the liquid droplet spread in between the space of the A and B, it will form a thin film. Now a mirror M reflects the light and direct towards the prism system. On reaching the ground surface of the A, the light scattered into liquid film. A particular ray going along the grazing incident will pass through the prism B at angle equal to the critical angle. The critical angle can be determined by using sin E is equal to n by capital N. Small n is equal to refractive index of liquid and capital N means refractive index of the prism. The critical ray emerging from the upper prism at an angle alpha is viewed by means of telescope. Telescope is used to view the critical ray emerging from the upper prism. A telescope is fixed at and prism box is rotated so as to get the coincidence of critical angle with cross wires of the eyepiece. The setting of the prism to the definite critical angle gives a definite value of the refractive index. While observing the critical angle by using telescope, the field view can be observed into two different portions. There are bright portion and dark portion. When the edge of the bright portion coincides with the cross wires of the telescope, the reading is taken as a refractive index of the respective liquid. The equipment is also having water jacket for circulation of the water to control the temperature. Abe's refractometer can be calibrated with using following liquids: water, carbon tetrachloride, toluene, A-methyl naphthalene. Before the determination, the following liquids are used to calibrate the Abe's refractometer to eliminate the errors. By using Abe's refractometer, some limitations are also having. It is most commonly used for determining the refractive index values ranges from 1.333 to 1.799. The compounds are having refractive index in between values are to determine by using Abe's refractometer. By using Abe's refractometer, the most commonly used light source is sodium vapor lamp only. Another light is not usable. Applications. Refractive index values are useful in determination of a molecular weight of organic compounds based upon their molar refraction values. Refractive index values are also useful to determine the concentration of solute in aqueous solutions. Example, sugar. The refractive index values can be used to determine the sugar contents in syrups. and also determine the sugar content in sugarcane juice and refined sucrose. Refractometry is also used for determine the alcohol content in bioproduction. Refractive index of a material is the most important property of a optical system that uses refraction for a lenses and prisms. Refractive index also play an important role in determination of purity of a drug and identification of a compound, analysis of binary mixtures, determination of dielectric constant, determination of molar polarizability. Specific refraction. The scientist Lorentz showed the property of specific refraction found to be more useful in characterization of a substance independent of temperature in 1880. The specific refraction can be determined by using following equation. Specific refraction Rs is equal to n square minus 1 by n square plus 2 into 1 by rho. The above equation Rs means specific refraction of a substance. N means refractive index of a substance. Rho means density of a substance. Next one, molar refraction. It is defined as the product of specific refraction and molecular mass of a substance. It can be given by using following equation. R is equal to n square minus 1 by n square plus 2 into m by rho, where R is equal to molar refraction of a substance, n means refractive index of a substance, m means molecular mass of a substance in gram per moles, rho means density of a substance, gram per ml. Refractive index is also used for determination of non-albuminous constants, total albumins and albumins in physiological systems, determination of unsaturation in vegetable oils, and determination of extent of fluorination in paraffin oils can be determined by using specific refraction values. Thank you.